Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful and easy baby blanket pattern. It's front view of the pattern and this is back view of the pattern. The front view and back view are the same. It's very easy and it's only 4 rows repeated. You can use it for many projects. I used Alize Baby Best yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, make a slip knot and then chain a multiple of 10 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and repeat that. And when I reach the desired width for my pattern, add 2 chains. I made 32 chains totally, and now skip first chain and insert the hook into second chain and make a single crochet. Okay, then skip next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and into next chain make a shell stitch with 9 double crochets. Yarn over, insert the hook into this chain and yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and again insert the hook into same chain and make a double crochet and continue making double crochets until reach 9 double crochet. 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, I made 9 double crochets into same chain. Then skip next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and make a single crochet into next chain. Again, skip next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and make a shell stitch with 9 double crochet into the next. Okay, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain and make 1 double crochet and repeat that 8 more times. Actually, I have to make 9 double crochet into same chain. I made 9 double crochets into same chain. Again, skip next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and make a single crochet into next chain. And then repeat this sequence. Skip next 4 chains, make a shell stitch into the next, skip next 4 chains, make a single crochet into the next. I repeat this sequence until the end. At the end, I have 3 shell stitch. Skip next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and make a single crochet into last chain. And first row is finished. For next row, chain 3 as a double crochet, then chain 1 as a chain 1 space and turn the work and yarn over, make a double crochet into first stitch of previous row here. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip next shell stitch and yarn over, insert the hook into next single crochet between these 2 shell stitches here. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I made a double crochet, then chain 3 and again make a double crochet into same single crochet of previous row. I have a V-stitch here, then again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chain, skip next shell stitch and make a V-stitch into next single crochet. 1 double crochet, then chain 3 and another double crochet into same single crochet. Repeat this sequence until the end. I'm at the end, so chain 5, skip last shell stitch, and in last single crochet make a double crochet, then chain 1 and make another double crochet into same stitch, and second row is finished. For row 3, chain 3 as a double crochet and turn the work, and I want to make 4 double crochets into this chain 1 space between these 2 double crochets. So yarn over, insert the hook into this space and make 1 double crochet, 2, 3 and 4. Now go back to first row here and make a single crochet into 5th double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into 5th double crochet of this shell stitch of 2 rows below, and this chain 5 space of previous row is placed into the work. Okay, I make a single crochet, again yarn over and make a shell stitch into next chain 3 space between these 2 double crochets, yarn over, insert the hook into chain 3 space and make 1 double crochet, 2, 3 and repeat that 6 more times. I made 9 double crochets into this chain 3 space of previous row. Then I want to make a single crochet into middle stitch of this shell stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert hook into this stitch of 2 rows below, and this chain 5 space is placed into the work and make a single crochet, and again make a shell stitch into next chain 3 space, and repeat this sequence until the end. I have to make 1 shell stitch into chain 3 space of previous row and 1 single crochet into middle stitch of shell stitch of 2 rows below. I repeat that until the end. At the end of row 3, make 4 double crochet into this chain 1 space, yarn over, insert the hook, 1 double crochet, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and then make a double crochet into third chain of these 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 here, yarn over, insert the hook into third chain of turning chains and make a double crochet. Okay, I have a incomplete shell stitch at the beginning and incomplete shell stitch at the end, and 2 complete shell stitch between these 3 shell stitches of 2 rows below. For next row, row 4, chain 1 and turn the work and make a single crochet into first stitch here, then chain 2 and make a V-stitch in next single crochet here, yarn over, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a double crochet, then chain 3 and make another double crochet into this stitch. Okay, after that I make 5 chains and skip next shell stitch and make a V-stitch into next single crochet here, 1 double crochet, 3 chains and another double crochet into same stitch, and repeat that, chain 5 and make V-stitch into next single crochet. Repeat this sequence until the end. At the end of row 4, after last V-stitch, chain 2 and make a single crochet into third chain of turning chains here at the beginning of previous row. And now I have to repeat row 1. So chain 1, turn the work and repeat this row. Make a single crochet into first stitch that it was a single crochet. Then make a shell stitch into next chain 3 space with 9 double crochets. After that, make a single crochet into middle stitch of shell stitch of 2 rows below. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Insert hook into 5th stitch and take this chain 5 space and make a single crochet. Okay, again go to the next space here and make a shell stitch, and then go to 2 rows below and make a single crochet into 5th stitch of this shell stitch and repeat this sequence until the end. At the end of this row, I have 3 shell stitch again, such as first row, and after last shell stitch, make a single crochet into last stitch of previous row. That was a single crochet again. And then I have to repeat row 2, then row 3, row 4, and row 5. These 4 rows from row 2 until row 5 must be repeated several times until you reach the desired height for your pattern. I made this pattern with 4 shell stitches at the beginning in first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, and for next repeat again I have 4 shell stitches and 3 complete shell stitch and 2 incomplete at the beginning and at the end into row 3 and next repeat and next repeat. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.